Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use the dual mode recorder on iPhones. So first let's open the camera application, then let's open video, tap the 6 circles icon in the top right corner of the screen and select dual capture mode. This will enable the second camera of your smartphone, the frontal one, and you can align it on your screen, and once you're happy with the position, just tap the right circle to start recording a video, and the recording will look somewhat like this. Let's actually see what the result looks like. So let's open a video and let me show you. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.